Hi there. Thanks for being here today. My name is Lisa. This meditation practice is for times when the uncertainty around us does not feel that good, when we are wishing for more certainty, for more stability, perhaps more security. So let's begin by coming into a comfortable seated position. You could be sitting on the floor, on a chair, on a cushion. Find the length in your spine like a tall tree, sitting upright, rooted, balanced, firm, strong. Let the earth beneath you anchor you and hold you. Place one hand on your belly and the other on the center of your heart. You may close your eyes if that feels okay. Feel your breath inside you. Notice how your breath feels to your hands. Try and send a breath into your belly. Let the inhale push your hand out and the exhale sink your hand in. Doing this a few more times, breathing in, feel the hand on your belly rising. Breathing out, feel the hand on your belly collapsing. If you feel distracted by thoughts, that's okay. You can always return to your breath. This moment now, the one you are experiencing right now, it is here and then it passes. You can be here in this presence, in this now, with your breath, and experience how your in-breath feels to the hand on your belly and how it feels when you let it all out. You can either stay with the hand placed over your heart or release both hands and rest them on your lap or on your knees. Take your attention to the workings of the mind, of the craving mind, the mind that wants to hold, that wants to grab, the mind that tells us that this situation should never change, that this person should never go, that the body should be as it is, not changing, not aging. And then, as it always happens, things change, and the mind does not like that. But we can be friends with our mind. We can give comfort to the mind. We can say to the mind that change is inevitable, that nothing is certain, that perhaps we can never say how life may unfold, and that uncertainty is inherent to life. It is woven into life. Change is inherent to life. What is constant? Nothing really. What is it that is truly ours? Nothing really. When we come to look deeply into the nature of life, the nature of reality, it becomes easier to accept that we can't really fight change, but we can embrace it. And one of the ways to embrace is through faith. Faith sustains us, that even though there is change, even though there is rising and falling, ebb and flow, birth and death, meeting and parting, there is abundance, there is hope. Placing our faith in God to give us what is meant for us, to take care of us, especially when we cannot see what lies ahead. Faith also in ourselves, that irrespective of what comes next, we can trust in our own ability to take care of ourselves, that we need to be there for ourselves. We need to tell our sweet little heart that we are there for it, that there is no fear, that there is no need to fear. We can be our own parent, our own partner, our own friend, and we can talk to that child inside us who is anxious, who wants to know what lies ahead. We can give the comfort, the care, the protection. Now, let us take a moment to love ourselves As an expression of love, you may wrap your arms around your shoulders, giving yourself a big hug, and if possible, saying out loud, "I love myself." Doing that 2 more times, spread your arms out wide open, opening your chest, taking a deep breath in, and wrap your arms around your shoulders, giving yourself a big hug and saying, "I love myself. I love myself so much." One last time, open your arms wide, take a deep breath in, hug yourself and say, "I love myself, I really do." As we come towards the end of this meditation practice, please carry the sense of love and faith with you. When you feel ready, give yourself a smile and gently open your eyes. You are special. Thank you for joining me today. Love and light. Namaste.